Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my new Everyday English series. This is Tozammel Hoke, Instructor General of Rajshahi Primary Teachers Training Institute. How are you?
I'm good, thanks, and you?
I'm also great. Today is the first lesson about everyday English. So what do you want to learn today?
Today I would like to learn how to greet and introduce myself.
Okay, today I'm going to teach you about greetings and introduction. So today's topic, Lesson 1, Greetings and Introductions.
Okay, sir.
In this lesson you practice asking for understanding and giving personal information about yourself and about other people. You also revise vocabulary related to getting to work. At first you will know about self-introduction. How to tell your name? You can start your answer. In the morning, hello everyone. Let me first introduce myself. In the afternoon, good afternoon everyone. In the evening, good evening everyone. You can say, I first introduce myself. Or, I would like to introduce myself at first. Or, my name's Tozammel Hack. My nickname is Hoke. You can call me Hoke. Or, this is Tozammel Hoke. I would be very glad if you call me Hoke. Or, I'm Tozammel Hoke. How can you describe your present status or occupation? Suppose you are a student. Then you can describe yourself as follows. Actually, I'm a student at Rajshahi University. My major subject's mathematics, and also it's my favorite subject. It's favorite because it's very easy to me and I enjoy to study it very much. I want to do something in my career through this subject. Or, as a job holder you can say, I work at a multinational company as a manager. It's a big company. My company name's Jamina Group of Company. How to describe details of your living place? Suppose I'm describing my place. My home district is Shapay Nawabgang. That means I'm from Shapay. You know Shapay is a well-famous place in Bangladesh. It's mainly famous for historical, small Sonam Masjid and land port. Most of the people in my district are farmers, mango businessmen. And they are also very friendly, hospitable and peaceful. I feel proud of my district. Now Helen, please tell me about yourself.
My name's Helen Joshi. My family and friends call me Helen. I'd be very glad if you call me Helen. I'm a student of second year honors at Rajshahi College. My major subject's English. I love English very much and I enjoy it. I like to do something in my career through this subject.
Well, thanks a lot for your lovely introduction. Now Rafi and Helen, you two make a pair. Practice the above conversation with your partner. Use your own names. Fill in the gaps. 1. Hello everyone. This is. 2. Professionally I am a. 3. I am from, but I live in, at present. 4. I am. 5. There are, people in my family. 6. My hobby is. 7. In my free time, I also like. 8. I like movies. 9. I like to eat. 10. My favorite drink is. 11. My favorite singer is. 12. I study English because.